Hey guys, what's up? Do you face problem in waking up early? How many times you are scolded by your school teacher because you arrived school late? Reaching office late can be a problem that you are not getting success. So hey guys, today I am Singh welcome you all to this lovely platform High Tech. Today I am gonna telling you how to wake up early. No, I am not going to tell you any tips and tricks. Today I am just going to modify an alarm clock which will surely awake you on time. I'm damn sure that it will wake you on time. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. So guys, thank you for watching my video. I will be very happy if you will like the video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get all the notification of my channel. Thank you.